Right, here we go on Cosmic Typhoon. Yeah, this thing's crazy. Whoa. There's no silly seat belts on this one. You just got this giant lap bar. And you get loads of airtime on here. From what I remember anyway. So there's your duck pond in the middle. There's your train. Yeah, like I said, I'm not sure where that came from. It did come from a park. Here we go. Oh yeah, awesome. Here we go, helix, helix, helix. Woo! Oh! Yeah, love it. Trim, 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 trim. Oh, a little bit. Oh, oh yeah. Woo! Oh. So much better than the new ones. That was brilliant, that. Really good. Right, here we go, yeah, look at this restraint here, it's crazy. I'm on my own, I'm sat in the back this time. If you get claustrophobia, this is probably not the ride for you. I mean, look how close this front bit is here. Oh, I love it though, it's so good. Yeah, just asked this operator where the miniature train's from. He said it was at a seaside somewhere, so I'm guessing it wasn't a theme park, I don't know. Here we go. Ah! Oh! You get airtime, man, honest to God, you get thrown out of the seat. Here, see if it happens again. Woo! Oh my God! Helix, 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 helix. Ah! I don't have to hold on or not. Trim. Oh! Woo! Oh my God! Oh! Just bashed my knee. Oh well. It's all part of the fun, isn't it?